Today we're diving into a recipe that's going to take your taste buds on a roller coaster ride: hot honey chicken. Trust me, once you try this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And don't forget, for the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Now let's get cooking. First things first, let's give our chicken some love. In a large bowl, toss in your chicken thighs or breasts, bone in and skin on for that extra flavor. Now pour in 2 cups of buttermilk and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all up. Make sure every piece is well coated. Cover that bowl and pop it in the fridge. Leave it there for at least 1 hour, but if you can, let it sit overnight. Trust me, patience here will pay off in flavor dividends. While our chicken is marinating, let's whip up the magic sauce, the hot honey. In a small saucepan, combine half a cup of honey with 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce. Feeling a little spicy today? Throw in half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Heat this mixture over low heat until it's warm and well blended. Set it aside and resist the urge to drink it straight from the pan. I know it's tempting. Next up, we need to get our chicken nice and crispy. In a large bowl or shallow dish, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. This seasoned flour is what's going to give our chicken that irresistible crunch. Alright, time to get our hands dirty. Take the chicken out of the buttermilk, letting any excess drip off. Now, dredge each piece in the seasoned flour, pressing it down to make sure it's well coated. Shake off the extra flour. We want crispy, not cakey. Now, heat up some vegetable oil or canola oil in a large skillet or deep fryer. We're aiming for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so if you have a thermometer, use it. If not, toss in a little flour. If it sizzles, you're good to go. Carefully add the chicken pieces, a few at a time, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them until they're golden brown and cook through about 6 to 8 minutes per side. You want that internal temperature to hit 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they're done, let them drain on a wire rack or some paper towels. Here comes the fun part, drizzling with that luscious hot honey. Be generous. Let it cascade over the chicken like a delicious waterfall. Serve it up with some coleslaw, biscuits, or mashed potatoes, and maybe a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or thyme if you're feeling fancy. And there you have it, hot honey chicken that's crispy, spicy, sweet, and oh so satisfying. Don't forget to head over to kelvinskitchen.com for the full written recipe. Until next time, happy cooking, and remember, the kitchen is your playground.